Let's learn to talk in Czech about your city, use directions, and have a great deal of Czech reading practice today. In this lesson, I want to cover new vocabulary that will help you with using directions in your daily life. The lesson will be filled with reading, speaking, listening, and writing practice. So take a pen, print out the exercise sheet from the link down below, and let's get started. Go to the cvičení 1 in your exercise sheet. Follow along with the text, then fill in the map with the different locations that you hear and read about. Feel free to read and listen to the dialogue several times. Write down any notes, take your time, enjoy. The answers will appear on the screen right after this exercise. Moje město. To je moje město. Je malé, ale sympatické. Všechno je blízko. To je jeho mapa. Uprostřed je centrum. Je tam starý kostel, malý supermarket a velké náměstí. Uprostřed je krásná bílá socha. Můj dům je vpravo nahoře. Je červený. Centrum není daleko. Nahoře uprostřed je žlutá škola a školka. Je tam taky modrý bazén. Nahoře vlevo je velké nádraží. Jeho budova je šedá a ošklivá. Je tam taky tabák a ovoce zelenina. Vlevo uprostřed je velký zelený park. A je tam taky nemocnice. Její budova je stará a krásná. Vpravo uprostřed je muzeum. Není tam tramvaj, není tam metro, ale je tam autobus. Vlevo dole je autobusová stanice. Dole uprostřed je banka. Je to moderní a drahá budova. Vpravo dole je letiště. Letiště je bohužel daleko. Here are the answers. Tady je mapa. Let's work a little more with vocabulary of the text. Do the cvičení 2. Translate these words into English. Try not to use any translators. Use the context of the text above to help you figure out the meaning. Here are the answers. Before we continue, if you're learning something from these lessons, it would mean the world to me if you help me grow my channel by clicking the like button and subscribing down below. Thank you, and let's continue. Cvičení 3 will ask you to write a short text in Czech in the comments under this video. I want you to look at this room and create a text about it. What can you find in that picture? Use the directions you learned from the previous text to help you. And seeing as everyone's answers will be different and there isn't one correct answer, write it directly in the comment section under this video. I will be happy to correct any mistakes for you to learn from. Now, let's train and learn all the new vocabulary from this text. Go to the cvičení 4 and match the Czech words with their English translations. Here are the answers. Repeat after me. Letiště. Všechno. Krásný. Velký. Modrý. budova, autobusová stanice, město, drahý, daleko, ovoce, šedý, zelený, nemocnice, dům, kostel, uprostřed, vlevo, sympatický, blízko, starý, červený, vpravo, škola, malý, náměstí, nádraží, socha, bazén, tam, tabák, taky, ošklivý, bohužel, nahoře, zelenina, bílý, žlutý. Was there a lot of new words in this exercise? Remember that this course comes with a MEMRISE vocabulary app where you can learn all the new words in a fun way. You will find the link down below, and if you still don't have the app, download it to your phone as well. It's completely free. In the next exercise, cvičení 5, we will practice using these new words in sentences. You will translate several English sentences into Czech and try to not use Google to help you. Use háčky a čárky to improve your Czech spelling and pronunciation. Here are the answers. Practice pronunciation of these sentences. Repeat after me. Moje město je zelené. To je mapa. Daleko je centrum. Starý kostel je blízko. Je tam malé náměstí. Můj dům je červený. Vlevo je žlutá škola. Nahoře je velké nádraží a ošklivá autobusová stanice. Napravo je banka. Je to drahá banka. Dole je letiště. If you have any questions to the translations, if you wrote anything differently and you don't know why, then write down your questions below in the comments and I will gladly respond and help. I'm here for you. And what will be your homework for today? There is a whole homework section at the bottom of your exercise sheet, as well as the online vocabulary app for you to practice more of what you learned today. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying these lessons. Otherwise, keep learning, keep studying, and I will see you again in the next video. Měj se hezky, díky, ahoj.